In this support video, you will learn how you can download the KnowledgeSmart PowerBI template. So the very first thing you need to do is come to the bottom of the main admin dashboard menu screen and click on this button here called PowerBI Template. That will take you through to a landing page where you will see two buttons. The one is to download our Getting Started PowerBI template, and the other one is to download the advanced version. If you scroll down a little bit on this landing page, you will see an image of what the Getting Started menu looks like versus what the advanced menu looks like, and a quick description of how many visualizations to expect in this version of the template versus the more advanced visualization options in the advanced template. At the bottom of the landing page, you will also see some very important instructions in terms of how to connect your consolidated data export, so your data source, to the template. Once your data source is connected, all of the visualizations within our template will automatically be populated for you. If you want to stay in touch with any future updates regarding our Power BI template, you can also enter your details here to be added to that list. So let's say I've decided I want to download the Getting Started template. I select this button and I will then receive this dialog box and just save the zipped file. Once we've extracted that zipped file, we see that this template is now available to launch inside Power BI. So double click that to launch it. That will open up a little dialog box inside Power BI with a little welcome message and a prompt to enter the path, the file path to your data source. So that is why it's important to take note of the full file path of where you have locally saved that consolidated data export you took from the KnowledgeSmart main admin dashboard. Once you've pasted in your full file path, just click Load to then connect that data source to the template. We are now just waiting for that data to be refreshed. And once your data source has been connected, you'll be taken over to this navigation menu where you can then start looking at the various visualizations available within this version of the template. If you need to update your data in future, you can just come over here to Transform Data and Data Source Settings, and then just select that data source and click Change Source. You will then just browse to the new data source that you have downloaded from KnowledgeSmart. If for any reason you need to compare data between two different KnowledgeSmart data export files, you can also bring in an additional data source via Get Data and Excel. This is also particularly useful if perhaps you wanted to bring in your survey data as an additional data source, or even your assessment content as an additional data source, and then that can be analyzed together with your assessment data. As always, if you do need any additional support with the Power BI template or your data visualizations, please feel free to reach out to us via our support help desk. We are always happy to help.